DuoTale English.
where every story teaches you English.
Hello, welcome to DuoTale English. I am Lena, and today is a very special episode. This episode is for you, the beginner. You are learning English, and sometimes it is hard. Sometimes it feels very slow. Sometimes you think, I will never be fluent. Maybe I should stop. But I want to say something to you. Please do not stop. You are doing something very brave. Learning a new language is brave. And today, we practice together, slowly, clearly, gently, one step at a time.
And I am Marcus. Hello and welcome, and we are so happy you are here. This episode speaks slowly, very slowly. Every sentence is clear. Every word is simple. You can listen. You can repeat. You can shadow. Say the words with me half a second after me. Say each sentence out loud. Every time you say a sentence out loud in English, your English gets a little bit better, a little bit more natural, a little bit more yours.
Today's topic, motivation. How to keep going, how to keep learning, how to stay positive when it feels hard. Simple words, but important ideas. Listen first, then repeat. Let us begin.
Part 1. Why you started. Slowly. Listen, then say it with me, 3 times each. I am learning English. Say it. I started because I wanted something. Say it. Maybe I wanted a better job. Say it. Maybe I wanted to travel. Say it. Maybe I wanted to understand films and songs. Say it. Maybe I wanted to talk to people from other countries. Say it. My reason is important. Say it. My reason is mine. Say it. I remember my reason today. Say it. It helps me keep going. Say it.
Started. In the past, you began. Wanted. In the past, you had a wish. Reason. The why. Keep going. To continue. To not stop. Your reason, your personal why, is important. Remember it. Say it out loud right now. My reason is, and then your reason. Say it. That is real English practice.
Part 2. Small steps. Learning English is not one big jump. It is many small steps every day. One step, then another, then another. Listen and repeat, 3 times each. Small steps make big changes. Say it. I do not need to learn everything today. Say it. I learn a little bit every day. Say it. Today I learned one new word. Say it. Today I said one new sentence. Say it. Today I listened and I understood. Say it. That is progress. Say it. That is real progress. Say it. Every small step counts. Say it. I am moving forward. Say it. I am getting better. Say it. I am proud of myself. Say it.
Small steps make big changes. The most important sentence in today's episode. Write it down. Say it every day, because it is true. Your brain learns language slowly. That is normal. That is not a problem. That is how brains work. Every word you hear, even if you do not understand it yet, is going into your brain. It is building. It is growing, silently, slowly. And then one day, you understand. That is how language learning works. Small steps, every day, for a long time, and then fluency.
Now a story about Maya. Listen first, then we shadow together. Maya is 20 years old. She is learning English. 6 months now. Some days are good. She understands a lot. She feels happy. She feels proud. But some days are hard. She does not understand. She makes mistakes. She feels frustrated. She thinks, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe English is not for me. She wants to stop.
But Maya does not stop. She takes a breath. She says, "This is hard. That's okay. Hard things are worth doing." She opens the podcast. She listens again. She repeats the sentences. Some sentences feel easier now, and that's something. That's real. On a hard day, something getting easier, that's a victory.
And Maya keeps going, day after day. Some days easy, some days hard. But every day she does something. She listens, she repeats, she writes one new word. She speaks one sentence out loud. And slowly, her English grows. One day, Maya watches a film in English, and she understands almost everything. And she thinks, 6 months ago, I could not do this. And she smiles, a real, quiet, private smile. She did this, one small step at a time.
Now shadow Maya's story, 3 times each. Maya is learning English. Say it. Some days are good, some days are hard. Say it. On hard days, she takes a breath. Say it. She says, "This is hard. That's okay. Hard things are worth doing." Say it. She does not stop. Say it. Every day she does something small. Say it. She listens, she repeats, she writes one word. Say it. Slowly her English grows. Say it. One day she understands almost everything. Say it. She smiles. She did this, one small step at a time. Say it.
Important words from Maya's story. Frustrated, the feeling when something is difficult and you feel stuck. Normal when learning something new. Proud, the good feeling when you do something well. Victory, a win, a success. Familiar, when something feels known, like you have seen it before. These 4 words are important for your English learning journey.
Part 5. Sentences for difficult days. Say them out loud. Say them to yourself. They are true, every single one. It is okay to find this hard. Say it. Hard does not mean impossible. Say it. I am braver than I think. Say it. Every mistake is a lesson. Say it. I do not need to be perfect. Say it. I just need to keep going. Say it. I have come a long way already. Say it. I am further than I was yesterday. Say it. Progress is happening even when I can't see it. Say it. I am not alone. Millions of people are learning English right now. Say it. I choose to try again today. Say it. Small steps make big changes. Say it.
I am further than I was yesterday. When you compare yourself to native speakers, you feel small, you feel behind, but that's the wrong comparison. The right comparison is you yesterday and you today. Are you a little further? Even a little, then you are succeeding because you listened to this episode today. You repeated the sentences. You chose to try. That's further, always.
3 simple dialogues. Dialogue 1. 2 beginners talking. How long have you been learning English? About 6 months. And you? About 1 year. It's hard sometimes. Yes, very hard sometimes. But I keep going. Me too. Every day a little bit. Every day a little bit. That's the right way. Yes, small steps. Small steps, exactly.
Dialogue 2. A difficult day. I had a bad day with English today.
What happened?
I did not understand anything. I felt frustrated.
I know that feeling. It happens to everyone.
Really? Even to you?
Yes, many times. But the next day is usually better.
I hope so.
It will be. Trust the process. Just keep going.
Dialogue 3. A small victory. I have some good news.
Oh, what happened?
I watched a video in English and I understood it.
That is wonderful. How much did you understand?
About 70%. Not everything, but most of it.
That is amazing. 6 months ago, you could not do that.
I know. I am so proud of myself.
You should be. You worked hard for this.
Important phrases. Every day a little bit. Trust the process. So proud of myself. That last phrase, use it. Give yourself credit. Say, I am so proud of myself in English, out loud. Mean it, because you should be. You are doing something genuinely brave, and you deserve to acknowledge that.
20 simple but powerful words. Repeat each 3 times. Brave. You are brave. Learning a new language is brave. Patient. Be patient with yourself. Progress takes time. Curious. Stay curious. Ask questions. Consistent. A little every day is better than a lot one day. Positive. Stay positive. Good things are coming. Proud. Be proud of your progress. Grateful. Be grateful for this chance to learn. Focus. When you listen, focus. Repeat. Repetition is how we learn. Understand. Today I understand more than yesterday. Mistake. A mistake is not failure. A mistake is a lesson. Grow. I am growing every day. Try. Always try. Trying is enough. Believe. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Possible. Fluency is possible. For you. Progress. Progress is slow, but it is real. Step. Take 1 step today. Just 1. Choose. Choose to keep going. That choice matters. Learn. Every day I learn something new. Enough. I am enough. My English today is enough for today.
I am enough. This is so important. English learners often feel not enough. Not good enough, not fluent enough, not ready enough, and this stops people. It makes people give up. But the truth is, you are enough. Your English today, exactly as it is enough for learning, for trying, for moving forward. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be here, trying, today. That is enough. You are enough.
Full motivation speech. Shadow every sentence 3 times each. Say it like you mean it. Hello? I'm talking to you. Say it. Yes, you, the person listening right now. Say it. You are doing something amazing. Say it. You are learning a new language. Say it. That is not easy. Say it. But you are doing it. Every day you try. Say it. Every day you get a little better. Say it. Maybe you cannot see it yet. Say it. But it is happening. Say it. Your brain is working. Say it. Your English is growing. Say it. It's slow. That's normal. Say it. It takes time. That's okay. Say it. Do not compare yourself to others. Say it. Compare yourself to yesterday. Say it. Are you better than yesterday? Yes. A little, but yes. Say it. That is enough. Keep going. Say it. 1 more day. 1 more step. Say it. You can do this. Say it. I believe in you. Say it. Small steps make big changes. Say it. Keep going. Please keep going. Say it.
You are not learning English alone. Every day, millions of people are doing exactly what you are doing. In Japan, Korea, Turkey, Malaysia, India, Vietnam, Spain, Mexico, Brazil, China, Taiwan, Indonesia, Thailand, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Colombia, France, Germany, Iran, and in hundreds more countries. You are part of something beautiful, a community of people who chose to connect with the world through English. You are part of that community.
5 power sentences, 5 times each. Slowly, clearly, mean every word. Small steps make big changes. I keep going even when it's hard. Every day I learn something new. I am proud of how far I have come. I believe in myself, and I choose to continue.
That's episode 56. Our question? Tell us in English in the comments, what is one English word you learned today? Just one word. Write it. That's a small step, and small steps make big changes. We read every comment and reply every day. Episode 57 tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep going every day. Bye, Marcus.
Bye, Lana. Bye, everyone. You are braver than you think. Bye.